Quizzy Wizzy! Today we're diving into the world of baby animals, the cutest little creatures on the planet.
Subscribe!
Which animal is born the size of a jelly bean? Kangaroo or zebra? Final answer. Kangaroo. Imagine a tiny baby kangaroo the size of a jelly bean. So small, you could easily lose it in your hand. It weighs less than a gram, but already has the most important tools, grasping hands and the instinct to crawl into its mother's pouch. There, in its cozy pocket apartment, the baby spends several months growing until it's ready for its first big jumps. Funny as it sounds, this is real training. While mom feeds it, the little one strengthens muscles, learns balance, and prepares for a life full of hopping and bouncing. Baby kangaroos are born acrobats. And if they could talk, they'd probably ask, "Where's my tiny jump helmet?" Which animal is born with a shell that grows with it? Turtle or crab? Right answer. Turtle. Imagine a tiny baby turtle. It has just hatched and is already carrying its own home on its back. The shell is small and soft at first, but gradually hardens, like the armor of a real-life knight. The baby immediately learns to swim and search for food, because in the wild, every minute counts. Fun fact, a turtle shell isn't just protection. It grows with the animal throughout its life, and each new layer adds experience and wisdom to this little explorer. Also, turtle hatchlings can be impressive. Some species survive harsh desert conditions, while others navigate the open ocean, following their parents like tiny sea navigators. Which animal has a baby that weighs up to 3 tons at birth? Hippo or blue whale? Final answer. Blue whale. Imagine a newborn blue whale. Tiny? Well, almost 3 tons. Right after birth, it's bigger than many small cars. From the start, it can swim and breathe, with mom close by, and its giant water adventure begins. Funny thing, whale calves grow incredibly fast, gaining up to 90 kilograms a day in their first year. They are real bubble giants, learning to play, spout water, and explore the ocean as if it's a giant playground. If whales could talk, they would jokingly ask, "Where's my tiny life jacket?" Which African animal sheds its teeth and grows new ones many times? Elephant or crocodile? Right. Answer. Crocodile. Crocodiles are nature's ultimate tooth recyclers. They grow and replace teeth throughout their lives to keep their jaws sharp for hunting. A single crocodile can grow thousands of teeth. Even dentists would be jealous. Their conical teeth are perfect for grabbing prey, from fish to zebras. Crocodiles can live 70 to 100 years, giving them plenty of time for all those teeth. Fun fact, their teeth are replaced like a conveyor belt, so there's always a fresh set ready. They can stay underwater for long periods, silently waiting for prey. True hunting masters. And remember, a crocodile's smile is scary, but always toothy. Which animal is born with soft quills? Porcupine or hedgehog? Final answer, hedgehog. A tiny hedgehog is born with soft quills, like a miniature fuzzy toy. These quills gradually harden, and the little hedgehog becomes a real spiky protector. Funny fact, newborn hedgehogs learn to curl up into a ball almost immediately, as if nature gave them a tiny superpower. They start exploring the world around mom, sniffing leaves, and learning to eat their first insects. If hedgehogs could talk, they'd probably ask, "Where's my soft sleeping mat?" Which animal is born with open eyes and teeth? Guinea pig or kitten? This is it, guinea pig. A newborn guinea pig opens its eyes immediately and even shows its first tiny teeth. You can see that it's ready for life. It can nibble small leaves and explore the world around it. Guinea pigs are incredibly friendly, but show personality from birth, sometimes hopping around and exploring every corner of their cage or yard. Funny fact, baby guinea pigs are very social and love interacting with mom and siblings, even if they've just learned to walk. Which animal carries its baby for almost 22 months? Lion or elephant? Guess correct, elephant. Imagine a huge mother elephant carrying her baby for almost 2 years. It's like a long marathon of anticipation, and the tiny elephant is born fully ready for life. At birth, it weighs around 120 kilograms, has a little trunk, and immediately learns to use its legs, as if saying, "Hey world, I'm here." Fun fact, elephants are incredibly smart and from birth start communicating with the family using sounds, trunk gestures, and touches. Baby elephants spend the first months exploring grass, water, and even sand, trying new tastes. True gourmets of the savannah. Which animal is born hairless and blind? Puppy or kitten? This is it, kitten. A newborn kitten comes into the world tiny, blind, and almost hairless. Yet, even like this, it looks incredibly cute and fragile. In the first weeks, it completely depends on its mother. She warms, feeds, and teaches basic life skills. Fun fact, kittens' hearing and smell develop before their sight. So, in the first days, they navigate the world by scent and sound. A couple of weeks later, their eyes open, their fur becomes soft and fluffy, and they start playing with each other, exploring tiny paws and the world around them. Which animal is born weighing less than 2 grams? Hummingbird or pigeon? This is it, hummingbird. A tiny hummingbird chick is almost weightless, only 1 to 2 grams. Born completely helpless but incredibly resilient, the mother feeds it nectar and tiny insects. These babies grow fast and learn to fly within weeks, like miniature superheroes of the sky. Fun fact, despite their tiny size, hummingbirds have enormous energy and incredible endurance. They can flap their wings up to 80 times per second. Imagine this tiny chick learning to fly and immediately adapting to a world where every leaf and drop of nectar is a huge adventure. Which animal can give birth directly in water and swim immediately? Dolphin or turtle? Guess correct? Dolphin. A newborn dolphin is born directly in water and immediately knows how to swim. It seems to say, "World, get ready, I'm in action." Mom helps with balance and teaches the baby to breathe, lift its head, jump, and play in the water. Funny fact, dolphin calves can perform acrobatic tricks and blow bubbles within minutes of birth, like tiny aquatic performers. They quickly learn to interact with other dolphins, communicate with sounds, and even play tag underwater. True little sea acrobats and explorers. And now the hardest challenge. Let's find 7 differences between the left picture and the right picture. Are you ready? How are you doing? How many differences have you found so far? Let's look together. I'll help you. First difference? The flag on the left picture is red, and on the right picture it's yellow. Second difference. In the left picture, you can see the number 2, but in the right picture, it's number 1. Third difference. In the left picture, there is a bee, and in the right picture, there is a butterfly. Fourth difference. In the left picture, there is no bush, but in the right picture, there is a bush. Fifth difference. In the left picture, there is a flower, and in the right picture, there is the letter A. Sixth difference. The boys in the left and right pictures are different. Seventh difference. The tree in the left picture has more branches than the tree in the right picture. I hope you found them all too. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like.